Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to center text in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I'm going to add some text to my video by selecting the text tool, and then I'll click inside the preview window. Type out the text that you want. Then to center your text, first make sure your text clip is selected by double-clicking it on the preview window. Then go up here and click the Captions and Graphics panel. Head over to the Edit tab, and under the Align and Transform section, these first two square buttons allow you to center your text or graphics vertically or horizontally. This second button centers your text or graphics horizontally in the frame. But if you're making an introduction or a title screen, you may want to center your text or graphics vertically with the first button. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.